Somebody call a doctor because bad medicine is back. That's the answer. This is the Appleton Oak. I'm Mason Quinn. Folks, today we are checking out 12th Fail today. This one was highly recommended from many of you out there. This one is, of course, from 2023. First time watch for me. No idea what to expect other than the little teaser that Amazon gives us here on the title screen. So a lot of you recommended this one, so I'm looking forward to it.
Or as some would say, Netflix. So thank you very
Netflix.
much for that. Yeah, I have not seen it, but I'm definitely ready, willing, and able to give all these movies a chance. They've always been great.
Yep, no clue what it's about other than what Mason Quinn had suggested, a very short synopsis. But look, came highly recommended. I was not here for Three Idiots, and I know the theme's a little bit, just from the poster, I'm guessing it's a little bit more like that than some of the other films we've watched from this genre. So I'm really excited.
All right, without further ado, then let's go! '97.
It's a good year.
अजय जो छत पे बैठा है ना, जो है मनोज, अब बहुत जल्दी डिसाइड करने वाला है कि मैं हिंदुस्तान का सबसे मुश्किल एग्जाम पास करके आईपीएस बनूंगा, देश को सुधारूंगा। और जरा लक्षण देखिए, पर्चियां बना रहा है ताकि 12th के एग्जाम में पास हो जाए, चीटिंग करके।
Oh, cheating.
हाँ नहीं।
क्या लगा तो इतना बड़ा कांड करोगे तो चौहान साहब छोड़ देंगे?
अब का कांड करो?
बताया नहीं भाभी ने, सस्पेंड है गए। वाई मारे आया हूँ इनका सस्पेंशन लेटर देने।
मैं ना लेता लेटर।
अरे सरकारी कागज लेना पड़ेगा।
जबरदस्ती है।
रामवीर ऐसे न बोलते, मेहमान है।
You have a choice?
अरे अम्मा
कमलेश, निकाल तो अपने दादा की दुलाली।
Whoa!
कल शाम ना चौहान साहब ने इन्हें दफ्तर में बुलाया और पूछो।
बीज वितरण वाली फाइल पे अभी तक साइन नहीं करा, 1 महीना हो गया।
बीज किसानों में बटो ही नहीं, सारा का सारा गया विधायक को। तो मैं कैसे घोटाले वाली फाइल पे साइन कर दूं?
विधायक जी पे उंगली उठा रहा है। विधायक जी पे सस्पेंशन लेटर लिख इसका, टाइप कर।
Oh,
किसानों को लूटे तेरो विधायक और सस्पेंड करेगा मोए।
रामवीर जबान ना लड़ा।
जबान न लगा सकते
अरे
हो
तो लगा सकते हो।
Oh,
चौहान पे पहली बार किसी ने चप्पल उठाई है।
ले
there's number 2.
ये फर्रे वर्रे सब फेंक दो। सालो तुम तो नकल के लायक भी ना हो। देखा ना पिछले
Look,
साल
everybody's
खुली
doing
छूट
it.
दी खुली, पर हुआ क्या? 200 में से 175 मोड़ा फेल हो गए।
Wow.
मैं बोर्ड पे लिखूंगा सारे आंसर, तो बस टीप लो झटपट।
What is going on?
माइनस x की घात 3।
Oh boy.
हमें तो पहले से ही पता था कि आप इधर आने वाले हैं। आप तो बस
He's gonna give him a stack of cash?
no, that's candy.
Oh.
Something sweet.
Oh,
maybe-
you
maybe-
sure
maybe-
answer? Why would he be giving him candy? This guy has no
something
idea how to
sweet.
deal with the cops. Maybe this will help.
फोटो लो रे इसकी।
जी सर।
Now he's gonna bust him for bribery. Yep.
Oh, apparently they don't put them in cuffs, they just
Hold his
hold their hand.
Well, there's nothing more unbreakable than handle.
Oh, they get them locked up right in front of the whole school.
Yep. Your days of cheating have come to an end. It's a new sheriff in town.
Very new sheriff.
मोए जान दे पुष्पा, लड़ने दे।
भूखे पेट लड़ोगे का?
Well, at least take some lunch with you.
मम्मी आंख तो बंद कर।
काय?
अरे कर ना।
अब खोल।
कहाँ से मिले?
चिंता छोड़ दे अब तू, हम दोनों कमाल लगे हैं।
का मतलब?
मतलब ये कि हम किराए की जुगाड़ चला रहे हैं।
Oh.
Oh, that's it's a very reliable automobile.
Yeah. Well, when they said rickshaw, that's not what I expected.
Yeah, it's imagine somebody pedaling a bike or running or something.
Yeah, or pulling.
Or pulling.
विधायक जी की बस खाली ना जाएगी। आओ भाई। अबे जगह कहाँ है तेरी बस में? जगह बनाऊं? ओ ड्राइवर साहब, जरा जगह बनाइए।
Cows in the background mooing.
ओए, सवारी छोड़ मेरी। जान तो नहीं किसके पैसे दे? मैं ना डरता हूँ किसी से। पंगो मत ले, मरेगा।
ऐसे ना मानेगो तू।
Oh, the old shoe slap. Just use your hand.
आदमी को पहली बार किसी ने चप्पल मारी है
It's an insult.
First time. There's a second.
दूसरी बार भी मार दे ही। अपना बच्चे को तू हैंडल मार
कितने पैसे बने रहे आज
44
मुरैना पहुंचेंगे ना तो 10 रुपए की जलेबी ले लेंगे मार्केट में
There, now they'll buy us the candy.
Reminds me of the car they used in Mongolia on the Grand Tour.
रुक 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 रुक
Oh boy.
Here it comes.
वहाँ का है
चलो रे खाने करो जुगाड़ हाँ और हाथ पैर चलते मेरे हैं तुम्हारे चल खाने चल
Well, here's the corrupt police.
Yeah, but it didn't seem like the.
Yeah, there
the
goes
first
your
police
rickshaw
officer
money.
Was corrupt. He's the one that turned in the principal.
Yeah.
They're not the corrupt. They're not the police. They're the mayors.
They're the mayor's men. Yeah.
तो विधायक को आदमी है
Yeah, there you go.
Oh!
मोड़ा मार ए पापा को गाली मत दे मैं पापा रे हैं क्या करेगा खोपड़ी उड़ा दूंगा तू नाली से जा जा ले आ तू नाली आज रात को या तो तुम मोए उड़ा दे ना तो मैं उड़ा दूंगा तेरे भाई को
Oh.
Whoa. Whoa.
अब का हैगा
मनोज लिया
ले आ दो नाली
डर मत मनोज
जा
लिया
अबे जा
मनोज लिया दो नाली
Oh wow.
Called his,
got heavy.
called his bluff.
He sure did. You take out me or I take out your brother?
Well, and imagine the repercussions if he does do it.
दुष्यंत चल 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 दुष्यंत चुप हो जा शाम जाएगी दुष्यंत लाइए दफ्तर में दुष्यंत
I'm pretty sure he's already away.
Yeah, that dog.
दुष्यंत या
They got German shepherds on the roof.
That's how you know it's serious.
अरे तू कितना वैसे ईमानदारी पे
Oh.
रुको चल
पूरी बात बताओ
Oh yeah, once
we
you
go.
heard that.
Yeah.
Tell me everything.
बोलो मन तरफ बैठ
Yeah. He didn't go get the rifle, but he got something a little bit better.
Yep.
जैन साहब
जैन साहब
क्या किया इसने
Rolling up sleeves.
साहब मैंने जाते कही कि मैं पुलिस से कह दूंगा जाने अपनी जुगाड़ से मेरा पैर तोड़ दो साहब जी
ये
हाँ साहब
Oh. Looks like your leg works fine to me.
लोग कर जाओ
Electrical up to code there?
जान बचा ली मेरी दुष्यंत सिंह की गाड़ी लग रही है
I was gonna say, did they get the rickshaw back or what's going on?
बैठो घर छोड़ दूंगा
मनोज जुगाड़ की बात कर जुगाड़ की
There you go, the rickshaw.
क्या बेकार की बातें कर रहा था भाग जुगाड़ की पूछ चल भाग 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 सर सर सर
सर मैं आप जैसा बनना चाहता हूँ सर कैसे बनूंगा सर
Oh, okay.
चीटिंग छोड़नी होगी बस
I forgot to ask about the old rickshaw.
Yeah.
चले
Just he's not even thinking about the rickshaw. He's got new dreams.
अगले साल हुआ वही जो होना था
All right, here we go.
दुष्यंत सिंह का ट्रांसफर हो गया बस फिर वही विधायक जी की जमी जमाई व्यवस्था बच्चों ने दबा के चीटिंग की
Didn't last long.
और जिस दिन मनोज ने बीए क्लियर किया उस दिन
ठीक से बंद कर कुंडी लगा
Oh, throw the bolt. It's gonna be serious.
मेरा बक्सा निकाल
Oh,
Pension.
that's her pension.
तो पैसा बड़ी मुश्किल से बचायो है तेरी माँ से जब पैसा जा खर्चे की चिंता मत करियो अब बड़ा पुलिस अफसर बनकर ही लौटियो
She's proud of him.
तुझे वर्दी में देख के तेरे दादाजी बहुत खुश होंगे
All right.
Oh, we've got some resources to get this party started.
चलो
जगह रास्ते में खाना खा लिया
खा लो।
रोसी फोन करना
हाँ ख्याल रखना अपना
For a little woman.
कहाँ जा रही हैं आप
ग्वालियर इसके पापा के पास
मैं भी ग्वालियर डीएसपी अफसर बनने
Become a big police officer.
Big police officer.
चलो दादा चलो भाई ग्वालियर
आराम से
चलो भाई चलो ग्वालियर उठो
Oh, somebody
No,
swiped
I
his
stole the
bag.
bag.
ये मेरे लाल लाल रंग का बैग रखा था यार, कहाँ गया?
तुम्हारा था वो?
हाँ मेरा बैग था
यार वो जो भाभी जी तेरे साथ बैठी थी वो लेके उतर गई।
Oh.
वो मेरा बैग था, वो कैसे लेके चली गई?
All right, first day of being a police officer, you're gonna have to find her. A lot of red bags they're showing in the background.
Oh, she got off an hour ago.
Oh,
अरे आधा घंटा पहले बरुआ में उतर गई वो तो।
is that where all his money was too?
Oh,
Money, clothes.
all the money from grandma.
Yeah. Just sitting there waiting for it to open. It's all he can do.
भर्ती पर रोक लगा दी गई है 3 साल के लिए। TCS, VCS सब बंद। क्यों? दिवाली में दिवाला निकल गया सरकार का। पैसा नहीं है तनख्वाह देने को।
अरे ऐसा कैसे कर सकती है सरकार?
सरकार है, कुछ भी कर सकती है। चलो।
Anything.
Wow, this went south in a hurry.
छोटे से गांव से आया हुआ मनोज बड़े शहर की बड़ी भीड़ में बिल्कुल खो गया।
Yeah, he's gonna have to figure out something.
बहुत भूख लगी है, अगर कुछ खाने को मिल जाता तो मैं आपके लिए कुछ काम कर देता। पैसा नहीं है मेरे पास।
ओ छोटू, एक थाई दे दे।
Oh,
Yeah, well,
he's definitely hungry.
बहुत अच्छा खाना था अंकल जी। बताइए क्या काम?
कोई बात नहीं।
नहीं, मैं कोई भी काम कर लूंगा।
बस स्टूडेंट है, बाद में दे दी।
नहीं हूँ स्टूडेंट, पीसीएस बंद हो गई है और गांव से जो कुछ भी अपने साथ लाया था सब कुछ चोरी हो गया, कुछ नहीं है मेरे पास। आप काम बताइए वरना हिलूंगा नहीं यहाँ से मैं।
Pestering me.
अयो भाई, मैं दे दूंगा पैसे, तुम आए।
क्यों भाई, कौन हो तुम?
भाई अकेले पीसीएस तुम्हारा थोड़ी कैंसिल हुआ, हमारा भी हुआ। अब हो गया सो हो गया।
Oh, he was doing the same thing.
अब क्या करेंगे भैया जी?
मुझे क्या बताओ, जाओ घर जाओ।
oh, you didn't want to do that.
Oh,
क्या बोलूंगा दादी से कि सारा पैसा चोरी हो गया और मैं वापस लौट आया?
तो घटना घट गई तुम्हारे साथ।
No, that ring.
yeah.
आईपीएस?
तेरे को आईपीएस नहीं पता? हमें तो डीएसपी बनने आया था ना ग्वालियर। हाँ तो आईपीएस बाप होता है
Oh,
डीएसपी
there
का।
you go.
Oh.
मैं भी बनूंगा आईपीएस।
There it is.
भैया मैं टिकट के पैसे लौटा दूंगा आपको, आप भैया प्लीज मुझे ले चलिए प्लीज।
खाने के पैसे हैं नहीं, आईपीएस बने।
गजब अड़ियल था यार।
भैया प्लीज भैया,
दिमाग कह रहा था प्रीतम पांडे खिसक ले।
प्लीज भैया मुझे ले चलिए अपने
My gut.
लेकिन जब हम दिल्ली के मुखर्जी नगर पहुंचे तो भैया अपने अड़ियल की तो हो गई ऐसी की तैसी।
Our hero's resolve is totally rattled. I love it.
Oh, just imagine the
Well,
chaos.
well, now, yeah, Delhi is going to be a whole different animal.
Yep.
वो देखो हमेशा इनके यहाँ पे 20-20 बच्चे बैठे रहते हैं, किसी को मना नहीं करते।
हटना भैया।
Wow, not the most ideal place to be.
वो नए आए हैं।
जरा सा बोर्ड।
उस दिन मैंने गौरी भैया को पहली बार देखा।
Tough to learn sitting in a hallway.
इतने लड़कों के बीच में भी हमें टाइम दिया और सिखाया यूपीएससी का खेल।
सांप सीढ़ी खेले हो कभी?
Snakes and ladders.
हर साल 2 लाख हिंदी मीडियम के विद्यार्थी में से केवल 25-30 ही बन पाते हैं आईएएस आईपीएस।
2 लाख में से सिर्फ 25-30।
बाकी 1,99,970 बैक टू 0।
Wow. Restart?
सांप सीढ़ी का खेल है ना बाबू, 5 बार ये स्टार्ट किए, फिर जाके हमको ये समझ में आना कि मिसिंग क्या है, मोटिवेशन।
Well, this one's called 12 fails.
गौरी भैया, वो आपसे कुछ बात करना था।
बोलो।
All right. Lay it on him.
There we go.
पैसा को थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम था।
Little.
अगर कोई काम मिल जाता तो
हम जब आए थे ना 3 साल तक साफ सफाई का काम किए थे।
कुछ भी कर लूंगा भैया।
ठीक, हो जाए।
All right. Look at that.
All right, just willing to do what it takes.
पहली बार इतनी महंगी किसी के लिए लेके आया हूँ।
भाई हराम की कमाई फूकने में ना अलग मजा आता है।
Blowing up dirty money.
Dirty money.
यार अब आप पीडब्ल्यूडी में ठेकेदार है, दवा के हराम की कमाई करता है।
Oh.
इसने मुझे पहले बोला आईएएस बन, बड़ा अफसर, हराम की कमाई ट्रिपल। भाई नहीं करना यार मुझे।
पर आपका मन क्या करता है भैया?
Oh, he doesn't want to
Oh,
do
okay.
that.
That's good.
मैं टीवी पे आना चाहता हूँ।
है?
हाँ, यार बाहर से लेने की हिम्मत नहीं होती मेरी।
तो अपनी मम्मी से बोल दो।
गौरी भैया अपने आखिरी अटेम्प्ट में भी फेल हो गए।
Last attempt.
उस दिन मुझे ये एहसास हुआ कि मैं एक हारे हुए गुरु का चेला हूँ।
Oh, shit.
अब क्या करेंगे गौरी भैया?
Oh, a lot of disappointment there. God, it's just it's part of the gig, though.
I get the title, 12th fail. That was another fail.
अरे हमारा अटेम्प्ट खत्म हुआ है ना, तुम्हारा तो नहीं ना। तुम में से कोई एक भी वर्दी पहना ना तो हमको लगेगा हम ही वर्दी पहने। कल प्रीलिम्स का पेपर है बाबू, पहली बार प्रीलिम्स दे रहे हैं, टेंशन लेने का कोई जरूरत नहीं है।
So does our guy only have 4 attempts? Not like the 6 that he got?
चलिए, ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट।
I'm confused if it's you only get 4 attempts at the final one.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, or if to work your way in, you can
Like
do
you
as
could
many
start
as it
over at the
takes.
bottom as many times as you want, but once you get up to that final tier,
Then that's it.
you only have 4
Yeah.
tries there. Like you can go to law school as many times as you want. You can only take the bar so many times.
That makes
I don't know if that's how it is, but I'm saying like that would be the like,
Equivalent.
I guess.
Yeah, well, he failed his first attempt, so let's see what kind of resolve he has.
मनोज ने अपनी लाइफ रीस्टार्ट की, एक और साल लाइब्रेरी में काम करता रहा।
There you go.
तीन कॉफी यार। हाँ लाए भैया। आओ नवल भाई आओ। ला रहा हूँ। यार नवल ब्रदर।
That bike there.
यार
Looks like it says Kamaha on it instead of Yamaha.
मतलब कंट्री के हर कोने से ये लोग भेड़ बकरियों की तरह आ जाते हैं, दिल्ली आईपीएस बनूंगा। फिर यहाँ आकर पढ़ाई के अलावा सब तरह की गधा मजदूरी में लग जाएंगे। I mean, no disrespect, but you're just wasting the country's resources, man. नहीं बनने वाले तुम लोग आईपीएस ऑफिसर्स। Just
Hey.
accept it and move on.
No.
Not with that attitude.
नहीं, बिल्कुल सही बात। चले आते हैं भेड़ बकरियों की तरह बसों और ट्रेनों में भर भर, कुछ नहीं होता है इनके पास। गरीब होता है इनका बाप।
I like the sound design they did there.
जज्बा लेके आते हैं कि ये लोग भी ना एक ना एक दिन आईएएस आईपीएस बनेंगे, चाहे इनको किसी लाइब्रेरी में झाड़ू लगाना पड़े या किसी का टॉयलेट साफ करना पड़े। ये पीछे नहीं हटते, हार नहीं मानते साले। बड़ा पक्का होता है इनका जज्बा, और ये जज्बा होता है ना नवल, किसी महंगा स्कूल कॉलेज में पढ़ने से तो नहीं आता है। लेकिन जिस दिन हम में से किसी एक का जीत होता है ना, तो हिंदुस्तान के करोड़ों भेड़ बकरियों का जीत होता है।
Right on. Hell of a speech there. Pretty impressive. There it is. Sleeping while he's working.
What happened?
भैया।
What did your dad say?
भैया। भैया। भैया प्लीज फोन देना, माँ को बताना है। क्या? क्लियर हो गया मेरा?
Oh, he made it.
हो क्या ना रिस्टार्ट?
जी भैया।
बस बढ़िया कोचिंग ढूंढो और लग जाओ मैं इसके तैयारी में। हाँ?
I just it's got
Congratulations.
you work his way up the levels. It's like snakes and ladders.
आप जो भी काम बोलेंगे ना वो मैं कर लूंगा। आप साफ सफाई के लिए बोलेंगे या जो कुछ भी बोलेंगे वो मैं कर दूंगा। कोचिंग की बहुत जरूरत है मैम, प्लीज मैम।
चलो ठीक। डिपॉजिट निकालो 1200 रुपए।
Oh, he probably doesn't have
मैम 1200 तो नहीं है, ये 680 है, लेकिन मैं बाकी के पैसे आपको किस्तों में भर दूंगा।
गले ही पड़ गए हो यार।
मैम प्लीज, बहुत जरूरी है।
Oh, he's so close.
Hello ma'am, hello sir. I'm Zaya Arora, the Z in to Z. I'm Professor Arora's daughter. Okay. इनको next महीने पद्मश्री मिलने वाला है।
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So you see this?
It's the usual spiel.
English and Hindi medium की कोचिंग साथ में ऑफर करते हैं हम, इसलिए to Z. Fill the form.
Yeah.
दीप मोहन सर यहाँ नहीं पढ़े, कोई मिस्टेक है?
Please fill the form. I'll just be back.
Oh. Is he gonna accidentally bust him?
किसी फिल्म स्टार से मिले हो?
जी?
किसी भी फिल्म स्टार से बड़े मिले हो?
नहीं।
को क्या लगता है वो भाई तंबाकू खाते हैं जो तुमको बेचते हैं?
Oh.
नहीं, एडवर्टाइजिंग कहते हैं इसे। 1.5 लाख दिया हमने दीप मोहन को। तुम भी टॉप करो, तुमको भी दे देंगे। हाँ, लेकिन अभी चुपचाप तुम काम करो।
Wow. It's like corruption and everything. Or cheating.
Well, they're paying him for advertising. Yeah, and there he is.
Yep.
आप क्या कह रहे थे?
जी मैं कह रहा था कि दीप सर यहाँ नहीं पढ़े, मैं जानता हूँ नहीं, ये झूठ बोल रही हैं।
Wow.
आप झूठ कह रही हैं?
Of course not. सर दीप के पापा भी एकदम यहीं बैठे थे जहाँ बैठे हुए हैं।
एडमिशन फॉर्म दिखाइए उनका।
वेरी गुड आइडिया पापा। दिखाइए दीप मोहन का एडमिशन फॉर्म।
Well, he always wanted to be honest.
Yep.
आपको एडमिशन नहीं चाहिए तो प्लीज यू कैन जस्ट गो।
चलिए पापा।
मुझे भी नहीं लेना है एडमिशन। ये रहा आपका फॉर्म, मेरा डिपॉजिट वापस करिए।
डिपॉजिट वापस नहीं होता है।
Oh.
कब दिया था आपने?
आपके आने से 2 मिनट पहले दिया था।
चलो तुम्हारे 680 रुपए, आगे से शक्ल मत दिखाना।
हमें भी आपकी शक्ल नहीं देखनी मैडम।
Wow.
आपको भी पीसीएस के लिए कोचिंग चाहिए?
नहीं, यूपीएससी मेंस की।
तो प्रीलिम्स की कोचिंग कहाँ से करी?
नहीं,
Self-taught.
सेल्फ स्टडी।
Yep.
अरे वाह, व्हाट्स योर नेम?
मनोज कुमार शर्मा। आपका?
हम चलते हैं बेटा। थैंक यू।
Pops is shutting that
अगर
down.
आपको किसी भी चीज की जरूरत हो तो मैं पूरा दिन यहीं विद्या वाचनालय में ही पढ़ता हूँ, बताइएगा।
जरूर, शुक्रिया।
Come on, let's go.
Move it along.
बिना कोचिंग के क्लियर कर दिया। अरे वाह, व्हाट्स योर? हेलो, गेट आउट प्लीज।
जी, थैंक यू।
Well. Of all the libraries and all the
Oh, here we go.
तुम इंजीनियर हो?
अरे हाँ,
you.
It's you.
तभी बिना कोचिंग के कर लिया।
मुझे लगा आप वापस चली गई।
नहीं, थोड़ा ढूंढा तो एक अच्छी कोचिंग मिल ही गई।
मुझे भी बताइएगा, मैं भी वहीं जाऊंगा।
हाय, आई एम श्रद्धा।
There we go.
मनोज।
तो यहाँ पढ़ते हैं आप?
He's in deep.
आप बैठिए ना।
आपने इंजीनियरिंग कहाँ से की?
Well, I didn't.
ग्वालियर।
लड़के रद्दी बेची
जी, अभी करता हूँ।
बैठ के गप्पे मारने की तनख्वाह नहीं देता मैं तुझे।
Oh
अभी
boy.
कर।
जी।
Dude.
दिन भर काम, रात भर पढ़ाई। वैसे मैं कल ही पढ़ रहा था कि अब्दुल कलाम साहब स्ट्रीट लैम्प के नीचे पढ़ा करते थे। मेरे पास तो पूरी लाइब्रेरी है।
बिल्कुल। मम्मी हाँ चलोगे?
हाँ, चलते हैं।
Hey.
इस क्लास से अब तक ना करीब 1000-2000 बच्चे सिलेक्ट हो चुके हैं।
All right, see how this coaching is.
आईएएस बनना बड़ी बात नहीं है। बड़ी बात यह है कि जिस कुर्सी पर आप बैठेंगे ना, उससे आपकी इज्जत ना हो, बल्कि आपसे उस कुर्सी की इज्जत बढ़े। मैं जब आप मुझसे मिलने आएंगे, आप नहीं, मैं खड़ा होऊंगा उस दिन।
Respect the individual, not the uniform.
As we see, there's lots of corruption.
क्यों बुलाया मैंने आपको? कुछ किया आपने ऐसा? ये आपने लिखा है?
जी सर।
यार तो यही तो किया आपने। अच्छा यार, सुन रहे हो? भारत में आतंकवाद, टेररिज्म इन इंडिया टॉपिक है। क्या लिखा है? नक्सलवाद, जम्मू कश्मीर, नॉर्थ ईस्ट, कुछ भी नहीं छोड़ा। और आज इनको हम देंगे चॉकलेट, एक नहीं, वैसे मैं एक देता हूँ। अच्छा काम किया है तो इनको 2 चॉकलेट देंगे। ताली बजाइए जोर से आप लोग, प्लीज।
Well, now he's got a little extra for someone special.
Yeah.
पहली बात, आप जानते हैं कि वायलेंस होना टेररिज्म में जरूरी है, उसके बिना टेररिज्म नहीं हो। अगर किसी की विचारधारा उग्र है, रेडिकल।
All right, my guy.
वो क्या आई हमारी चौखट पे कॉफी मांगने, तब से ये पांडे उतना फर्द नहीं है।
वाह वाह।
हैप्पी दिवाली।
श्रद्धा, मैं कैसे ले सकता हूँ ये?
ऐसे।
That's how.
तुम्हें पता है अब्दुल कलाम स्ट्रीट लैम्प के नीचे पढ़ते थे।
Oh, that's what it was. Okay.
Yeah.
मैं एक हॉस्पिटल में इंटर्नशिप करती थी। एक दिन एक केस आया, 18 साल की लड़की, नायलॉन की साड़ी, थर्ड डिग्री बर्न्स, दहेज का चक्कर, एज यूजुअल। और हमेशा की तरह एफआईआर पे ऑफिशियल कॉज ऑफ डेथ एक्सीडेंट। मैंने सोचा अगर मेरे पास पावर होती ना, मैं ऐसा कभी नहीं होने दी। Then I thought,
There's the motivation.
बिल्कुल हो सकती है, मैं भी बन सकती हूँ डेप्यूटी कलेक्टर। बस मैंने पापा को बताया और पापा कहते हैं फिर चल दिल।
बेस्ट जगह से पढ़ाई करो।
Yeah.
Oh, come on. Come on.
He can't be distracted with love. He's got tests to worry about. It's true.
Love conquers all.
Answer knows.
It also distracts.
No. Enhances.
अब बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बात है कि इन दोनों रॉकेट्स के बीच में जो टेक्नोलॉजी है वो सेम है, प्रिंसिपल सेम है।
Principle same. Tech might be a little different.
कोई भी, अरे इतने सारे लोग हैं।
मैं क्या बोलूं, मुझे नहीं आता।
जितना आता है बोल दो।
श्रद्धा तो मनोज को सिखा रही है रॉकेट से।
नहीं सर, सिखा नहीं रही हूँ, ये शर्मा रहा है बोलने से। इंजीनियर है, एरोनॉटिकल इंजीनियर। इसने कलाम साहब की किताब भी पढ़ी है।
अच्छा मनोज, तुम इंजीनियर हो? यार मुझे तो ध्यान था कि तुमने हिंदी और हिस्ट्री से बीए किया हुआ है।
बीए किया है सर।
तो फिर ये कंफ्यूजन क्यों हो रहा है?
सर हमारे बीच में कोई गलतफहमी होगी।
कौन से एंगल से इंजीनियर दिखता है?
दोस्तों भेजना बहुत आसान है ना? नहीं ऐसे नहीं करते भाई, गलतफहमी हो जाती है लोगों में, क्या हो?
Let's move on.
यार मेरे हाथ में किताब थी इंजीनियरिंग की, इसलिए
Oh.
श्रद्धा मैं तुम्हें बताने ही वाला था।
See, guys, I told you, love complicates things.
He wanted to impress her.
आशिकी बाहर कर लियो, पहले लेक्चर सुन ले।
Oh, yeah, guys, never gets you any further ahead to lie. It'll catch up with you. He just wanted to impress her.
गांव में सबके सब पता है तुझसे कितनी आस लगाए बैठे हुए हैं। उनका क्या, ये जो समय है ना बॉस तेरा, ये अभी पढ़ने का है मन लगा के, ये सब काम करने का नहीं है। मुझे पूरा विश्वास था कि वो वापस जीरो पे आ जाएगा, लेकिन इंग्लिश क्वालिफाइंग पेपर में उसको लिखते देख।
Is he gonna just crush this?
सेपरेटिज्म, हाँ समझ गया कहाँ है, लेकिन
ये देखो ना दूसरे पेज पे पहला क्वेश्चन।
यार तो इंग्लिश पढ़ना सीख ले, आईएएस के घंटा बनेगा। क्या लिखा है ये टेररिज्म इन इंडिया नहीं है, टूरिज्म इन इंडिया है।
Oh no!
Oh no! Oh no!
इसमें देख ले, बदल थोड़ी जाएगा।
Oh no!
फेल हो गया तू, क्वालिफाइंग पेपर था तेरा।
क्या?
That's the second
कॉल
attempt.
आएगा इंटरव्यू पर।
Oh shit!
Like how they're doing the ringing in our ears.
उस दिन के बाद मनोज किसी को कहीं नजर नहीं आया। फिर एक दिन पता चला कि वो शहर छोड़ के कहीं चला गया है।
Dude.
Man,
Look at those switchbacks.
It'd be something else. One little slip up though, and it cost them. It's interesting too. It's like they don't know what the test is going to be. It could be tourism. It could be rockets, engineering,
Tourism. Terrorism. Oh man. Look at that view.
That is pretty gorgeous.
आप कौन?
मैं मनोज, उनका दोस्त दिल्ली से।
पर उनकी बुआ के घर शादी है, सब लोग वहाँ गए।
Oh wait, no.
जी किशन बोल रहा हूँ, वो श्रद्धा दीदी के लिए कोई आया है।
It's all her accomplishments. Yep.
हेलो श्रद्धा।
मनोज, तुम्हें मेरा एड्रेस कहाँ से मिला?
अरे तुम्हें तो बताया था, भूल गई।
Oh, that's right.
क्वालिफाइंग पेपर में फेल हो गया, टूरिज्म की जगह टेररिज्म पे से लिख दिया।
मनोज ऐसा क्यों किया?
Well, he was honest about it at least.
Yeah.
और दोबारा पढ़ाई शुरू करने की जगह तुम मसूरी मेरे घर आ गए।
Oh.
हाँ वो
It's a weird take from her.
श्रद्धा, आई लव यू।
Oh.
बस तुम भी बोल दो अब।
क्या बोल दूं मनोज?
Oh.
Hey.
वही आई लव यू, फिर मैं तुम्हारे लिए दुनिया उलट पुलट कर दूंगा श्रद्धा।
प्लीज किशन को फोन दो।
Maybe it is her wedding.
दीदी कह रही हैं आप दिल्ली वापस जाइए।
Oh no.
That's it. No further explanation. No nothing.
कितने दिन बाद आए हो भैया?
तुम बड़ी हो गई
तो छोड़ी थोड़ा ना रहूंगी।
माँ कहाँ है?
माँ शाम को आएगी।
क्यों?
मुझे गैया भेजी थी ना,
हाँ
उसी को चराने ले जाती है रोज। अच्छा भैया, आप डीएसपी बन गए?
Not yet. Something
दादी
better eventually.
Yeah, there it is.
दादी कहाँ है? बताया क्यों नहीं मुझे?
दादी ने मना की थी।
बताया क्यों नहीं?
Oh.
कहती थी मनोज आगो तो वर्दी पहन के आगो, तो अगली बार आगो वर्दी पहन के आगो नरे लल्ला।
Boy, no pressure.
Yeah, right?
Boy, not the trip back home he was probably expecting.
अरे भैया आप
देखो तो सही कौन आया है।
पापा।
Oh. Hey, Dad.
Oh.
मेरी माँ मर गई, मुझे पता भी ना चला। बाद अपना बोरिया भी सब बोलेंगे ये ईमानदारी की लड़ाई।
He's not gonna go.
काल के कपाल पर लिखता मिटाता हूँ कि
मैं खाता हूँ।
Can't give up yet, not when you're this close.
रोज 15 घंटे आटा पीसता।
Holy shit.
अरे श्रद्धा आइए बैठिए, आप लोग वहाँ हो जाइए थोड़ा सा, अभी हम कबीर के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं। आप भी
बिना बंद करे समझा।
1000 साल के हिंदी साहित्य
बाप बन लग मेरा, समझा?
Well, I mean, you want to pass?
I think secretly he doesn't because he wants to be on TV. So I'm thinking he's biffing it, maybe on purpose. Maybe.
So that's his way out, and he doesn't have to do it.
So that way he can keep telling. That's why, like, even when last time he failed, Dad, everybody, like,
everybody
80% of people failed, you know?
तुम अचानक मेरे घर आ गए, मैं समझ ही नहीं पाई मैं कैसे मैंने वापस फोन किया था, मैंने 1 मिनट में वापस फोन किया था, लेकिन तुम जा चुके थे तक.
I wasn't gonna hang out.
I'm really sorry, Manoj. I was very rude to you that day. मेरी गलती.
Thank you for being rude.
Motivated me.
All the best, Manoj.
Thank you.
Yeah, I think she was seeing how much it hurt him.
मनोज किधर है?
वो कहीं, तुझे क्या मालूम?
अरे उसका प्रीलिम्स क्लियर हो गया.
Oh, he cleared him.
रिजल्ट भी देखने नहीं आया. किधर है?
Probably sleeping somewhere.
Well, there's a real rickshaw.
Yeah.
Congratulations, तुम्हारा प्रीलिम्स क्लियर हो गया.
वो तो होना ही था.
I knew it.
प्लीज शोर बंद कर सकते हो प्लीज?
Sorry.
Yeah, we should celebrate.
मनोज, एक रिक्वेस्ट है, तुम ये आटा चक्की का काम छोड़ दो. मेरे पास कुछ पैसे हैं, तुम
पैसों की जरूरत नहीं है मुझे. श्रद्धा प्लीज.
Don't want to take it.
श्रद्धा, मेरी माँ गांव में मजदूरी कर रही है. पिताजी कोर्ट कचहरी में बेईमानों के खिलाफ लड़ रहे हैं और मेरा भाई तो किसी तीसरे गांव में दिहाड़ी पे है. जिम्मेदारियां हैं मेरी.
मैं समझती हूँ मनोज, कि तुम यहाँ इस अंधेरे में पढ़ोगे कैसे?
पापा कहते थे कि बाहर के अंधेरे से नहीं, अंदर के अंधेरे से डरो. ये अब्दुल कलाम साहब स्ट्रीट लाइन के नीचे पढ़ा करते थे. भाई मेरे पास तो फिर भी अपना बल्ब है.
बल्ब तो था उसके पास.
Well, he hasn't lost his positive attitude.
Oh boy, here we go.
20 सवालों में से वो 10-12 भी पूरे नहीं कर पाया.
Barely finished 12.
मनोज कुमार शर्मा अपने तीसरे अटेम्प्ट में भी फेल हो गए.
His third attempt.
अरे भैया, नवल की टेंशन मत लो आप, वो कर लेगा. उसका सिलेक्शन पक्का है. पूछो क्यों? क्योंकि नवल की जिंदगी में कोई डिस्ट्रैक्ट करने के लिए श्रद्धा नहीं है ना. कहने का मतलब है, तुम दिल्ली में आके मनोज से नहीं मिलती तो आज मनोज का मेंस क्लियर हो जाए.
अंडे.
Oh, brutal.
हम तो मनोज की भलाई की बात कर रहे हैं कि बेटा कुछ बन जाओ, वरना छोड़ के चली जाएगी वो.
Wow.
देख, जो सारी की सारी लड़कियां ना एक जैसी होती हैं. लूजर्स के साथ कोई नहीं टिकता भाई.
Ouch.
मनोज, I love you.
Well, congratulations.
Congratulations. I love you. Now go turn the world upside down.
All right, my guy. Now you got more motivation. Now you got more motivation. This is quite the opposite, Mason Quinn.
Well,
it's not a distraction, it's motivation.
Well, I mean,
look at him running.
He's only got one chance left.
Only got one shot.
One shot to capture everything you ever wanted. Capture it.
Well, like how he said, Pandy says that, you know, that's why Tanya left. Like, no, you yelled at her as she was trying to tell you her great news.
What's he doing?
आराम से बात कर. कौन?
सर मनोज, आपको मैंने तानिया के घर पे कॉफी दी थी. आपको लगा था कि मैं छोटू हूँ, याद है?
मनोज.
यस सर.
छोड़ो से.
Oh, private security detail.
Not now, Manoj. I'm very.
Sir, please.
Some other time.
सर आपने मुझे कहा था कि you owe me.
You did. You did.
4,000 words per exam. 9 exams in total. That's 36,000 words, Manoj. तुम्हें सिर्फ लगता है तुम मैनेज कर लोगे?
नहीं सर, मैं कर लूंगा.
प्रकाश.
जी सर.
Get me a pen and paper.
Yeah, see in the upper right, that looks like the author.
तुम्हारे पास 8 मिनट 20 सेकंड. Write 200 words.
What topic, sir?
What's your full name?
मनोज कुमार शर्मा.
मनोज कुमार शर्मा. That's your topic.
सर लेकिन ये तो बहुत आसान हो जाएगा.
Is it?
Is it though?
Is it too easy? Analyzed?
ये तो बहुत आसान था ना तुम्हारे लिए. मनोज कुमार शर्मा. जिस टॉपिक के बारे में तुम्हें सोचने की भी जरूरत नहीं है, उस पे 80-90 शब्द नहीं लिख पाए.
Wow.
How on earth will you write 200 words on international relations, internal security, social justice, governance? I don't mean to demean you. तेरे से नहीं होगा.
Don't tell me what I can't do.
हम घर पे पैसा भेज देंगे तुम्हारे.
नहीं भैया.
अरे एहसान नहीं कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, उधार है. पूरा पहला तनख्वाह मिलेगा, तुमको दुगना दे देना.
नहीं भैया.
Whoa.
Take back twice as much.
उस रात जिंदगी में पहली बार मनोज को पढ़ने के लिए एक टेबल मिली, एक इलेक्ट्रिक स्टोव मिला।
Everything he needs.
ये पापा ने मुझे दी थी। जब पढ़ने बैठो चला दो और जैसे ही उठो बंद कर दो। नो चीटिंग। एवरी डे 16 घंटे घड़ी चलनी चाहिए और 16 घंटे पढ़ाई।
Holy shit. Bro, I didn't do 16 hours of studying in a year.
Yeah, we know.
खुशखबरी लाए हैं। शादा का फोन आया था, मेंस क्लियर हो गया उसका, अगला महीना इंटरव्यू।
All right, just got the interview.
Nice.
हो गया तेरा? हाँ यार हो गया।
Oh, he passed.
मेरा नहीं हुआ यार। साले यूपीएससी का यूं नहीं आता था तेरे को।
Oh.
नमस्ते आंटी जी, मैं मनोज बोल रहा हूँ दिल्ली से।
हाँ समझ गई।
कहाँ है वो?
वो घर पे नहीं है, मैं उसे कहती हूँ तुम्हें फोन करने के लिए।
Oh boy.
आपने झूठ क्यों बोला उसे?
Oh, I thought she passed the interview.
I think
She's lying about her not being home.
Well, no, I understand that, but why are they sitting there in the dark and they're all like, whatever?
They don't like him. They don't approve of him. They come from different worlds.
किसी ने मेरे पापा को फोन करके कह दिया that I was sleeping with you in Delhi.
ऐसा कौन कर सकता है श्रद्धा? और
Oh, I think we know who did that.
हेलो
पांडे किधर है तू?
ओए तेरे किसी दोस्त का फोन आ गया। मुखर्जी नगर थाने आ जा, बहुत संकट में है लौंडा।
Oh boy.
बताइए क्या किया इसने?
हाँ तो ये पब्लिक में चिल्ला चिल्ला के गालियां दे रहा था।
तो आईपीसी के किस सेक्शन के अंडर अरेस्ट करा आपने इसे?
Oh, hit him with some knowledge.
Yep, because he knows.
Yeah, he knows.
ये पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टी डैमेज करी है इसने।
झूठ बोल रहे।
एविडेंस दिखाइए।
हैं?
एविडेंस दिखाइए।
Evidence.
Yep.
आज मेरा मेंस क्लियर हुआ है, 1 महीने में इंटरव्यू है। पहला लेटर जो साइन करूंगा ना वो तेरी सस्पेंशन का होगा, ये बात मेरी याद रखना तू।
Oh.
क्या है ये? तूने किया था ना फोन?
Yep.
उन्होंने एक स्ट्रेंजर की बात पे विश्वास कर लिया मम्मी। मुझे भी बहुत बुरा लगा।
Oh, that's true.
मैं चाहूँ तो अभी उठ के दिल्ली जा सकती हूँ। I'm a deputy collector, not a child anymore. मनोज की लाइफ का सबसे बड़ा दिन है। I want to be there for him. He's my
Gonna believe your own daughter, I hope?
Nah. Believe a stranger.
Some random stranger
Some
on a
random
phone
that
call.
pandy that was probably a little sauced up when he said it too.
भैया एक टाई पहन लेंगे उससे थोड़ी ना सिलेक्शन होता है।
पहननी पड़ेगी।
You have to wear it.
छोटा बॉस, सॉरी यार वो।
अरे अगर तुम फोन नहीं करते ना तो पापा कभी नहीं कहते I trust you, जा दिल्ली।
अच्छा हो गया।
Whoa. Things are working out okay.
वैसे छोटी बातें इतनी सच्चाई से बोलते हो तुम टीवी पे रिपोर्टर बन जाओ ना।
Well, he wants to be on TV.
मनोज टीवी पे।
Yeah. Come on.
TV reporter.
Said he wants to be on TV.
Because he can lie so convincingly.
Just let him have his
I
minute.
just like how they threw that out there.
ऐसा
Look at him.
बस जूते थोड़े टाइट हैं, चुभ रहे हैं।
नए है ना?
He's never had shoes before. He's always had like his flip flops.
Sandals, yeah.
ये क्या है?
नहीं, मेरे सामने नहीं, अकेले में पढ़।
You're alone.
तेरा चेयरमैन डॉक्टर मेहता है, उसे हिंदी मीडियम वाले वैसे पसंद नहीं, इसलिए अंदर गलती से भी मत बोल दी हो कि फेल हो गया था। बस यही बोल दियो कि दादा या दादी का देहांत हो गया था।
He doesn't like to
Oh,
lie.
here's
though.
the test.
Because maybe they have that guy say that.
That could be.
To
Yeah.
see who's willing to lie to the.
He's not willing to
Yeah, I mean,
lie.
I just meant to test for his own morals, but you might be right, answer.
That too.
अब फेल कैसे हुए?
दादा या दादी का देहांत हो गया।
No, he's not going to do it.
सर उस साल हमारे स्कूल में चीटिंग नहीं हुई थी।
What?
हमारे गांव में एक नए डीएसपी सर आए थे, दुष्यंत सिंह सर। उन्होंने चीटिंग रोक दी थी और सारा स्कूल फेल हो गया था।
Thank you for your time. You may please leave now.
That's it.
मनोज 2 मिनट वेट कीजिएगा बाहर।
Now they're going to have a meeting about him. That little bit of info they got.
Well, he was honest.
तुम चाहे आईपीएस ऑफिसर बनो या चक्की में काम करो, मैं सारी जिंदगी तुम्हारे साथ बिताना चाहती हूँ।
Oh.
Will you marry me, मनोज?
Oh!
सर आपको अंदर बुला लो।
All right.
Oh, they gave it to us.
The double doors.
आप बातें तो बहुत बड़ी बड़ी करते हैं, लेकिन सिंपल इंग्लिश भी नहीं समझ सकते।
कि भाषा सिर्फ एक मीडियम है सर।
That's just an excuse for you to cover your weakness.
Oh.
If I cannot be the sun that shines upon the earth, I can still be a lamp and light up my street.
Good.
That's a solid point.
Waste of time.
Oh.
Such arrogance.
Arrogance.
मुझे मेहता का वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम अभी भी सुनाई दे रहा है।
No, hasn't gotten another haircut since.
What do you think, Miss Qureshi?
I think ऐसी नियत वाले कम ही मिलते हैं डॉक्टर।
Oh, there you go.
हमें सीधी बात करने वाले लोग चाहिए। अगर ऐसे कैंडिडेट को सिलेक्ट नहीं करेंगे तो इस एग्जाम का फायदा नहीं।
There we go. All right. Nice. Everything, all the work, it all paid off.
उस चौहान से बोलने की उसने एक आईपीएस के पाप से पंगा लो।
मिस्टर मनोज कुमार शर्मा, आज आप सबको बताना चाहेंगे कि आपने कोचिंग कहाँ से ली है।
My own.
3 साल पहले आपने मुझसे एक सवाल पूछा था कि क्या ये बड़े-बड़े स्टार लोग वही तम्बाकू खाते हैं जो मैं बेचते हैं?
I remembered 3 years ago.
आज मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ किसमें कनेक्ट है। अरे
Bloody idiot.
कहाँ जा रही है?
ये रहा तेरे रिजल्ट का।
आईपीएस।
Oh. Nice of that guy. Right away.
मेरी शादी का पहला इनविटेशन सर। थैंक यू। आपने मुझे पहचाना नहीं सर। मैंने चीटिंग छोड़ दी सर।
जुगाड़।
ये है मनोज की बारात जो जा रही है मसूरी।
Oh, he's only got 1 minute battery left. Uh-oh.
अरे इनको पहचाना आपने? यही तो है हमारी जमी जमाई व्यवस्था।
Oh, the
वाले विधायक
mayor's
जी।
here.
और ये है हमारे
Beloved.
घूसखोर चौहान जी।
Here's the
Crony.
His left dog.
सबके जुगाड़ में सोचिए
In the
एक
rickshaw.
ईमानदार पर
What a
कितना बदलाव ला
change.
सकता है। समझे कि करूं जीरो से रिस्टार्ट।
Restart. What a finish.
Restats. Dedicated to those handful of honest officers whose integrity safeguards our country. We are forever grateful to them.
Oh, is it that bad over there?
It must be. Now, are these real pictures?
Yeah,
you
these
think?
must be the
Oh,
real
that's
ones.
awesome.
That's a pretty epic ceremony.
बारी में खेल देखा फेल कर गई मारा मारी
There's the officer.
हारा फिर भी दूजी बारी
That's the rifle.
नसीबों की बातें ना करी पोकी राजा रंग सारे हारे
Oh, look at both of them.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
ताप अपने चप्पू अपने हाथ
That is awesome.
Oh, that's cool. The real ones and the actors.
That's awesome. All right, we'll swing through anything else. I don't think there is, but
notoriously they haven't done post credits.
All right, there you have it. Wow.
Oh.
What an amazing movie. Thank you all for the recommendation. That was awesome.
Yeah, I mean, man, just, as a channel, we've been doing a lot of heavy stuff lately. That's real serious. And, this one was certainly, it had its heavy moments and whatnot, but it's just, it felt so good to watch something that was, positive and uplifting and had a happy ending for us, because it's, we get a mix of things, obviously, here on the channel, and we watch them in such a way that we're very focused on what we're doing and taking everything in. And this was just a fantastic, uplifting movie about just sheer determination and wanting to do the right thing and sticking to your ideals and your morals and just not stopping and not quitting. And even when he was in the flour mill in those conditions, essentially sleeping in what seemed like a basement attic, if that makes sense, the way it was laid out with all the concrete and the dust and everything, working 12, 13, 16 hours a day with that loud machinery and still found a way to get through the way he did. It just shows a level of perseverance where, they talked about it in the very beginning. We'll just pass them through and they'll find some menial jobs and then they'll be happy with that. And, it just shows that, Majro didn't want to stop at that. He had a goal and he had something he wanted to achieve. And man, just despite everything he had to go through, I mean, starts off on the bus trip to the big city, gets his bag stolen and all his money, and he's starving for a couple of days, and then finds somebody who gives him an opportunity, for some food, and then a bus trip or train to get to the city. After he finds out the testing is closed there, and just yes, met some of the right people to help and guide him along the way. And obviously that's going to be helpful, but just so much of it was just not quitting. And I'll find a way, I'll manage. That was his mantra through the whole movie. I will find a way to do this. And even at the end when he was having his interview, and they're like, well, this is your shot. What are you going to do if you don't get it? Well, I'll find another way to change the country, because his end goal wasn't just to become an officer. It was to make the country better. And there's a lot of different ways to do that. And again, it showed right there that he wasn't going to stop. And the way they did the finish with the reveal that he passed was outstanding. I like how we got the little bit of twist at the end where the head guy in the interview was like, it's just a waste of time. But then everybody else on the table was like, no, this is exactly what we need. If we're not hiring these type of people, why are we even doing these interviews at all? So that was just so cool to see. Again, an uplifting story, a true story nonetheless, which makes it that much more impactful. Because it's one thing to make a movie about these things and accomplish it. It's a whole nother thing to know that somebody actually did it and fought through all these hurdles and obstacles and the conditions that he had to live in and make do with, and no sleep and fighting through this. This is the kind of movies I love to see, uplifting and getting the win at the end and accomplishing your goals and showing that it can be done with, hard work and determination. It's real hard to keep it down. And I think that's what it showed, that even in a corrupt system, if you have the talent and you have the dedication to do it, you can become undeniable and you can't be stopped. So I loved the message for it. The music and the sound design was outstanding. I love how they kept going back to the same song that Sharada was singing. That was great how they would work that in there, and we could feel the tense and the anxiety that Manja had when he was or Manjo had when he was in these situations, or Minaj had when he was in these situations. So, outstanding. This was just great, real uplifting.
Yeah, this movie is one of those that inspire you to just run through a wall. This was amazing, just watching his rise, and the best part of it was that Grandma believed in her son and grandson, so much so that when her son left, and she kept the money because I think she knew that her grandson was when Minaj was destined to be something greater than what he was. And it all started with, the deputy helping him out right away in the beginning with the rickshaw, where he saw the corruption and he said no cheating. And it really rang true to, what, I could just be the same person. He's looking around him and he's seen, I could do the same thing as everybody else and then just have a meaningless job, or like just where it's a daily wage job, like his brother,
or buy into the corrupt
system. Like his dad was so defeated and broken when he had been trying to change the country where he couldn't. He was he was ready to quit and sell the seeds to the black market, and it took his son saying, no, remember what you said. And I wish I would have read it down, but the speech that he kept on having his daughter recite, Minaj's sister, at the beginning, where about respect and being honest and being bold, and he went from having all these little cheat sheets to the teacher even saying, "Hey, we're gonna rip it all up and we're just gonna give you all the answers," to failing 3 times, but because he wanted to do it honest, and like he said, he would rather be honest in 3rd division than 1st and unhappy, and know that he didn't deserve to get where he got with that. So, and just even like, Pandy, like he happened to meet him, and like, I love how the voiceover was basically Pandy the whole time.
Yeah.
There was some other people it seemed like it sounded like, but just Pandy the whole time, like, I didn't know what to think of this guy. I wasn't going to do it, but then I slipped and I said out loud, "Yeah, come on, come with me, and I'll help you out." And the whole movie too, Minaj was like not accepting anything. He didn't want to accept bribes, even when he got the 2 chocolates.
Or the free food.
The 2 chocolates that he earned by having a great essay, he gave them to Shadra because, you know, he just wanted to learn. He was just hyper focused. And I did love that they had the little back and forth in there with Pandy. I'm glad he came through in the end because to me the whole time, yeah, he was mad and upset that he was failing, but it sounded like to me that Pandy was like mad and upset that he was trying to do something that he didn't really want to do. So he wasn't giving it his all. He wasn't going to try his hardest because he couldn't tell his dad what he wanted to do. And it took him finally failing and being at probably his lowest moment in life for Minhaj and Chandra to show up at his door. And like, even he said how important it was to him that he's like, you didn't even go to your exam yet. And you came here to say hi to me. Like it basically everything he had done wrong, you know, and then, you know, the nice levity that like, he's like, he apologized for calling the parents and she's like, you know what? Thank you for doing it. Actually, it all worked out. I mean, that could have gone a lot worse. Right. But it just shows you that. And like, I was going to keep fails because I want to know if there was 12 fails throughout it. Like the first time he told Chandra, I love you. And she kind of like eased off or anything like that.
All the times.
I didn't. And any time he failed his exams or his mains or anything.
Setbacks.
But it could have easily just been, you know, he was a 12th fail. But it just shows you that perseverance and hard work pays off. It was just exciting to watch. And and I mean, I can't pick an exact perfect moment that I loved in it, but I absolutely treasured the moment that they had the reel and the actors next to each other, and they showed us real photos of what they happened to do of their wedding day. It was just amazing to see. And if you haven't seen this, you got to go out and watch it. It was amazing. Absolutely loved it.
Yeah, this film was absolutely incredible from a number of different angles. Of course, the perseverance is kind of the main thing that the entire story is built upon, and Minhaj's perseverance throughout this entire. And just go back for a second. I just want to be able to reference the names here. So. Minhaj's perseverance throughout the entire film was just incredible, and it takes a lot, to work so hard for something and fail and have to come back and start over. And and they made an interesting point of saying when you failed, you had to start from the beginning. It wasn't just start back where you left off. You had to go through the entire process again. It'd be like, man, like imagine having to go through college a second time. If they give you like one final exam to graduate, and if you didn't get that exam, you had to go back to the start. So that was a really, really inspiring story. And of course, it's the hard work of anyone should be celebrated, regardless of what your background looks like or where you come from. If you're willing to work hard, that should be celebrated. But you're always going to have a little bit more of a feel-good aspect, or a lot more of a feel-good aspect, if I'm being honest, when it's somebody who really came from nothing. Somebody who had to just grind and scrape and work hard for every little victory. And the fact that he was willing to work in the flour mill, and he's working 15 hours a day. And I mean, this guy's dedication knew no boundaries. So his story was phenomenal. But for as much as this is a story about resilience and his work ethic, it's also a story about opportunity. So if this is your first time catching a Bad Medicine film, I've referenced it in a handful of films. I have an opportunity to work for the Arnold Schwarzenegger Classic. So I get to do some work with Arnold, which is an incredible experience for me. And I was at a press conference in 2016 at a different event when I was working for a different company, but Arnold was there, and he's spoken about this on multiple occasions. But one of the people in the audience asked him, "Oh, you're one of the most successful self-made men of all time," and he actually ended up turning his reply into a speech. And he goes, "I'm not." He's like, "There's no such thing as self-made." He goes, "There's no such thing as self-made." He goes, "By the time we're 18 years old, the impact that your parents, your teachers, your coaches, and everybody has had on your life is so great that it doesn't matter how independently successful you are. To claim that you're self-made is to disregard all the support you've gotten from people over the years." And I think this was a really, really powerful example of that. And, Answer brought up, him coming back to Pritam's place before he went to his finals. And despite everything that happened with Shraddha and Pritam making that call to the parents, which, look, he obviously did during a very a rough point in his life, and he highly regretted it. But the fact that Minaj didn't forget who helped him get to where he was, right? Because, look, Pritam doesn't get him that ticket to Delhi. None of this happens.
No.
Whole story. Look, is that to say that Minaj wouldn't have gone back and found a different way? So I'm not going to say we wouldn't have had him find success, but it sure helped him. Got him a ticket, gave him a place to live, paid for his lunch.
He told him about the job opportunity. He didn't even know about it.
Yeah, I mean, he didn't even know. And then we have Gauranadan, who is running that school, and he talks about, if one of us succeeds, and it was him, look, the guy was doing well, but he was just grinding too much, right? The flour mill, look at the conditions he was studying in. I mean, just the conditions. Let's just take the work out of it. Take the work and the sleep out of it just to study for something that big in poor conditions. We saw him when he finally moved into Gauranadan's place. He said, "This is the first time I've ever had a desk."
Yeah.
The guy's worked this
An
hard.
actual bed.
First time he's had a desk and a normal bed to sleep in. And so, he helped him along the way. Shraddha, I mean, what an impact that she had on his life, and look, he had a little bit of misstep there, telling her that, got caught in a moment saying that he was an engineer, of course, just, caught some pretty hard feelings, which, sometimes we do as guys, and, and was just in the moment, but I think, she gave him a second chance to kind of be honest and recognize the type of person that he was. But the encouragement that she gave him along the way was huge. You go all the way back to grandma. Grandma, they showed her saying to mom, "Don't touch my pension. Don't touch my pension." Mm-hmm. And she gave her everything she had to her grandson because she wanted to see him succeed. And, he left. The family was supportive of him going after his dreams as well. Sometimes, and in situations similar to that, where everybody lending a hand, in tight situations to help the family be more comfortable, it's hard to have somebody leave, and we've seen situations where if somebody goes off to chase their dream, sometimes people will guilt them like, "Oh, your personal goals are more important than the success of the family." Right. So they resent him, but everybody here cheered him along. So for as much as this was a story about resilience of Minaj, it was a story about how having the right people around you and how your supporting cast can make such a huge difference in your life and the success that you're able to have. And all around, it was a great film. Look, when we say this genre, of course, we're referring to Bollywood movies that are made, in India. And I know that the genre, look, there's action, there's drama, there's romance, and we've done a lot. So it's not necessarily the right word to say this genre, but this, as far as all the movies that we watched with, the Indian cast, this one felt the most raw for me. I love the action and over the top. We've seen some great comedies, some great romance, but this just felt like it was such an underdog story. We got a little bit of singing during Truth and Dare from Shraddha, but they didn't do the big over the top dance numbers.
Yeah.
There was no crazy over the top action, and they didn't need it because the story stood on its own. The acting stood on its own. And this was a phenomenal film. I'm so glad people recommended this to me. It's inspiring. It's difficult to watch because so for audiences outside of America, like we have our issues with our politicians and we have our issues with our law enforcement. I'm not sure how much you see on the international news, but we do have our issues. But it's a lot of behind the scenes type stuff, right? Like it's not anything that's just like out there in the open.
Yeah, like people aren't getting pulled over and getting shakedowns.
Yeah, and like, you know, like bribes where it's just normal. And so again, that's not to say that we don't have our own issues here, because we certainly do. But sometimes as Americans, what happens is we'll see, you know, certain instances here, and here, and be like, oh my God, our police are so corrupt, or our government is so corrupt. And you take for granted, like, look, I know in South America and in Mexico, there's, you know, some pretty severe problems with, you know, with politicians and with law enforcement and bribery and stuff like that. And again, it's, you know, as an American watching a film that's representative of, and some of the comments said, yeah, this is pretty representative of the way it was. Of course, this, you know, started in the late 90s, and I certainly can't speak to how anything is there right now, but it just, you know, sometimes you can take for granted, you know, where you live. And even though there is issues, the fact that there's a lot of people out there who have a lot worse, even like the cheating thing, like that's, I don't know that that's acceptable anywhere here where a teacher would just look, we had teachers here where, you know, hey, for the test you get to have one 3x12 note card or an open book test, which, look, our open book test means you can use your textbook while you're taking the test.
Yeah, I mean,
and maybe that's the version of cheating.
Yeah, we have like more underperforming schools in certain areas where, like, yeah, they're passing people, but when they find out they can't even read or do math, but they're just passing them regardless. But that's more of a isolated situation,
right?
It's not
versus just, hey, we're going to cheat. So again, the film opens your eyes to a lot of things that we take for granted, the luxuries that we have here, that you know, that they don't have across the globe. But again, just an absolutely phenomenal film.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I mean, guys, I don't know. Typically, we don't, do ratings for true stories, just because we don't like to take, you know, because we've done it before with movies like Sadar Unam, with The Impossible, things that are either, you know, based on true stories or are reflections of true stories. Typically, we don't rate those like we normally do a 1 through 5 or a 0 through 5 on our scale. And I think for this one, that's kind of the same. If we're
just because you're essentially assigning a score to somebody's life story.
It's like, you know, I didn't like that part where you were working in the flour mill. I didn't believe it. Well, that happened.
Yeah. So look, IMDb does their ratings, you know, movie critics, you know, have to do their ratings, but look, we make our own rules, and you know, it's a situation where it is based on a true story in somebody's lives. We saw the real pictures, which Answer said, you know, as he had said, I think we all agree that's super cool to see. But phenomenal movie. If we were to score it, I think, you know, it would be, but we don't need to assign scores.
I think it's pretty obvious. We all loved it.
We all loved it, and it's and like I said, it's a good watch. It's a must watch if you want to find a nice uplifting story that you wouldn't know about. There you go. Come on, everybody knows Rudy and stuff like that.
I wasn't gonna say it.
So this is one where you know nothing about like the culture or anything going on. So you give it a watch and you're just in awe and absolutely love
real underdog story.
A real underdog story.
Not some phony stuff.
This was amazing. Hopefully you all enjoyed it as much as we did. So for Appleton Oak, that's Mason Quinn. I'm of course the Answer. Catch you on the next one. Good night, pals.